Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to deal with a difficult cue card. And for example, look at this. Describe a crowded place you've been to. Now, this type of topics are generally not very difficult, but they waste a lot of your time in thinking, right? So whenever you're talking about a crowded place, you need to talk about a crowded place, then you always talk about a good place, so that you'll have you will have more margin to speak. For example, it can be a Sunday market, or it can be a subway station, but a subway station can be a very bad choice because you won't be able to talk a lot about it, right? So while preparing for your cue card, because in IELTS you get 1 minute to prepare your answers. So you'll first of all see and prepare one word answers. Crowded place, Champs-Élysées, France. Okay. But when you went there, okay, in 2015, okay, where the place is in France, in Paris. Who you went there with? I went there with my friends. And explain how you felt about the place. Okay, now this becomes very easy. Once you decide that the topic of your cue card. So, describe a crowded place. We will start with saying, okay, the crowded place I want to talk about today is Champs-Élysées. It's one of the famous tourist places in the world. It is so crowded because it is the center of culture in the francophonic areas, and it is one of the top places ever built by any country in the world. I went there back in 2015, and when I went there it was summer, so it was the peak season, so it was jam-packed. The place is located in one of the main areas in Paris, and it is now a drive-free zone. So there are very few cars which are seen. Normally, there are large flocks of people are flocking to Champs-Élysées to enjoy their trip to France. Okay. I went there with some of my friends, and believe me, it was a great trip. I felt great mainly for four things. The first, French music. The second one was a great and rich French cuisine. The third thing that I enjoyed over there was shopping. It had so many stores, and they were offering amazing jaw-dropping discounts. And the last thing was the atmosphere with which French people were serving the people, the tourists, and the welcoming gestures they showed to me were actually very convincing. I'm so positive about those people, and if I ever see them in my home country, I'm going to respect them, feed them, and listen to them if they have any difficulty. So that's the humane treatment of the French people actually impressed me. Right? This is how you can do. So you need to in some cases your examiner might ask you to stop talking about it. When they know that you have covered all the points, they might stop you. So at least you should be able to talk for 1 minute and 30 seconds and maximum for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. But please look at the fourth question. You should be done with the first three within the first minute. And you can take a lot of, because this is generally a question where you can do a lot of reasoning. So you can take all your time in the world to answer this part. And I wish you best of luck if you're appearing anytime soon in the IELTS exam. Please prepare each and everything. Please remember to subscribe my channel, and if you like the information, you can also comment on it. And please like the video. I'm going to come up with more videos like this. Thank you, and have a nice day.